The question is an ideal gas in a sealed container is taken through the process shown in the PV diagram below. Select the correct statement about the signs of the following quantities. Change in internal energy. Okay, so change in internal energy. This is represented by delta U. Net work done is represented by W, and net heat, right? Net heat that enters the gas is Q, right? Okay. Now we are having the picture here. It's a PV diagram in which the initial state of the gas is here and the final state is here. See the arrow mark, and the arrow mark is from my right to left, right? So this is the way how you have to consider. To explain, otherwise to understand this picture correctly, you need some more information or hints what I mentioned here. See, in any ideal gas on the PV diagram, the convention usually what we refer is the work done on the gas is taken positive. In this situation, the volume decrease. Okay, work done on the gas is negative, otherwise the volume increase, right? So this is how we have to consider. So one more thing, what you are seeing here is some conventions how we treat about the curves. If the curve starting from a point extends to your right, then P or V increases, then T and U also increase, right? So that also increase, P or V decreases, then T and U also decrease, right? So that means if the curve extends to your right, then pressure and volume increases. If pressure and volume increase, then T and U, temperature and internal energy also increase. Otherwise, if the curves extend to your left, P or V, pressure or volume decreases, then temperature and this U, internal energy also decrease. Just observing all these conventions, come back to the main question. Here the question has given us this drawing in which the initial state is at high pressure and large volume, right? So you must observe initially the pressure is high, right? Pressure is high, high pressure. It comes to low pressure, right? It comes to low pressure. Then what happens? Volume, no, large volume to smaller volume, right? Small volume. So in this situation, what should happen? T should reduce. When T reduces, U should reduce. Once U reduce, you must observe some facts. U is nothing but internal energy. That means change in internal energy. So change in internal energy simply depends on the change in temperature. Otherwise, what I can say, change in internal energy is proportional to the final temperature minus initial temperature. What I said, here the temperature reduced when the graph moves from your right to left, temperature reduces. So if temperature reduces, that means Tf is less than Ti. That means to say delta U, right? Delta U is less than 0. So this indicates the change in internal energy is negative, right? So change in internal energy is negative. This is correctly said in option B, option C, as well as in option D. I can omit option A. Now the three choices are left here. Now I have to choose the correct choice among these three. Let my concentration is on W, that is work done. Right. Since the curve is moving from my right to left, work done is positive, right? So in this situation, work done is positive. Okay, so work done is positive. So work done is positive is correctly said here, you know, this one and in this one. That means I can omit one more option, that is B. The only two options left are C and D. And now I have to think over the energy, right? Whether Q becomes positive or Q becomes negative. To understand this, what I say you is, you know, if we are using the equation from first law of thermodynamics, delta Q is equals delta U plus delta W. So this is when work is done in some case, and let me explain you later. So delta Q is equals delta U minus delta W. Okay, so this is the correct equation what we have to use here. There is nothing but, when volume decreases, here work is done, right? So work is done on the gas. Okay, so when is work is done on the gas, you should consider this equation. Okay, so you should choose this equation. So that means here we have to consider work is done by the gas. Okay, if work is done by the gas, then you have to consider this one. Otherwise, we have to go for this one where work is done on the gas. Now our situation is this, right? So work is done on the gas. Okay, so that means so I am now using this particular equation, which says delta Q is equals delta U minus delta W. Here I have to find Q or delta Q, so which is nothing but, what is the sign of delta U? So delta U is negative, that I already did. Yeah, this is negative, right? Minus symbol as it is. What is delta W? So delta W is positive, which we already said here, right? Delta W is positive and this is positive. Okay, that is equal to minus into plus is one more minus, right? One more minus. So this finally becomes negative. That means delta Q is also negative. This is the way how you must choose. That means the correct option is Q must be negative, right? So now I can avoid option C, and the correct choice is option D.